Check this out. I'm on the street. Look at this path. Boom, boom, boom-bitty boom. Boom, boom, boom-bitty boom. And where does it go to? Hey? Goes to the little mama quasi sack. Hidey hide. So cool. Look at the way this path goes. Over the stuff. Here, let's go. Whoop. Coming through. Look at all this stuff. This is weird. Okay, I'm good. Man, they bored. That's strange. They're finding a way across the blackberry. Oh, jeez. Yeah, this is pretty much barriered from me. Check this out. Look at how well barriered this is. I gotta crawl. Look at this. Look at all these scared sticks. Look at somebody's chair cover. Oh my god, I have to hit the deck here. Excuse me. Coming through. Oh wow. Yeah, that's you'd have to step over to get out of. Oh, there's the ditch thingy. Hello. Hello. Little highway under the road. Tansi. Nahalio. How you guys doing? They're like, what the actual? Well, here I am. In the swamp. And it's rainy today. And it's beautiful. And sorry, I'm trembling. I can see those funky, I think I'm seeing lines of, I don't know if it's energy, electricity, what are you going to call it? Just back over here. And it's almost like we can see the energy of the trees. Sort of like an energy transference from tree to tree. It's kind of neat. You only get it in some shots. Look at this, how beautiful this is. So these guys were stacked in here. And I'm going to try to approach this thing again without feeling like I'm being escorted out by a bouncer. But look, like this is the den. It's really neat. It's just so neat. So I've captured guys about my size right in here. Right there. There was a big guy laying on the ground with a bunch of kids. And I swear that's who was pushing me away. But look at how much more stuff that they've stacked in here to barrier it from the other side. Like this is the tree that they've kept. This awesome, funky twist, bend, and stuff to the front of the den. Look at how much more stuff has been put in here. All this. All this. Oh, this is so cool. I love going where they were. So they were sitting down in here. Look, you can see how tamped down the earth is through here. See? Pushed down. Big, like butt prints. Right? See this? This patch. That patch. Down in there. It's tamped down really heavy duty. Look at how this is piled. You know? And it's not from this this treetop here that they stuffed in here, it's piled. That stuff's brought in by armfuls and shoved in here, all through. Oh man, this is so cool. Sorry, oops, oops. Look at the crunchiness. I mean, look at all these sticks. You know, there's a handful here, a handful there, here a handful, there a handful. You get my drift. You know, and then in the middle of all the trees, we have an empty cup. Okay, and so right here, another spot where they're hanging out. And there were 3 or 4 of them stacked on each other, right in here somewhere. Gosh. And they create the darkest areas in the forest. They create them. It does, eh? You guys, how you doing? Look at that path. Look at it. There's a path going through there. It probably goes to that other fallen tree. There's another big tree that's been pushed over back in there. Gosh, this is beautiful. Look at how it rolls down. It goes rolling down towards the lake. Let's walk over. Oh, right through a spider web. Yeah, look at this here. All this new stuff. Oh, shit. Look right in front of me. See that marker? Look at it. That didn't grow there. Look at these. Look at this whole This is where I wish. Okay, so here we go. There's the floating stick. Remember? Let me back this up. Look what they've done here. Look what they've done to the swamp. Moss. Whoop. Lindy's here. Look what they've done here. Look at these. These have been tipped, or let's go check. Look at this place now. See, there's a driveway over there. Can you see it through the trees? See that's been pulled down. And this, wow, man, look at this. This is all new. This is new. You're falling from up there. Where? Well, it's not even the same species of tree. Okay, that's an alder. I think this is an alder too, but these are willow. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is neat. Look at this, how big this willow tree is in front of me. Like, look at this. What are you guys doing here? Okay, no, maybe it's some kind of willow. This has been really just pushed over, busted up. Okay. I don't see. I've just been pushed away from the den. That's what you call the old push away. Oh, look how deep it gets here. Nice. It dips down about 4 to 5 feet. Look at this big willow. There's a nice sitting spot underneath. Okay, I'm gonna go back this way. Interesting, hey? Yeah, this has been pushed. Pushed severely. I always try to check for it. Up Island, you used to actually see their fingerprints, like rips, fingernails, through in patches like this, where it appears like somebody came along, and when they did this, they peeled all the bark off. But look at how that's perched nicely right there. Don't know where that one came from. See it? It's all busted up. I mean, it's got to be part of this little mess. You see some garbage bits down there. Look at this. The fork stuck through here. What's going on here? Yeah, see, this is one of those, a willow branch that it can't have come from up above. This has been pushed over for a long time. It's leaning on this big baby here. Okay. So down in there, it looks like an entrance to the back part of the den. There's that path going through the woods. Yeah, this is neat. See through? Nice little path goes through. See the darkest part. Tree trunk? What is that? I always come across looking at like tree trunks. Okay, where am I? Where am I? See that? Hey, Tansy! Nahalio! Looks like a face. I'm gonna talk to it anyway. How you doing today? You enjoying the rain? That's it for my Zoom. It's so funky the way the forest makes faces all over the freaking place. Such a beautiful place.